guys, welcome back. So today we are packing our car for Walt Disney World. We're actually leaving today in just a couple of hours, but we're gonna have two separate videos. This video is just how I'm packing my car and things that I'm taking to help me, and then the next video is going to be our full travel journey to Disney World, so be sure to come back and watch that as well. So in this video I'm just going to show how I'm packing my car, how I'm organizing things. I did already record two separate videos of things that I packed and things that I purchased pre-Disney World road trip. So be sure to check them out. I will link them somewhere up here and down below. All right, we are cutting it close, so let me take you guys downstairs. It's probably going to be a little bit dark because of course it's raining like cats and dogs, and it's supposed to be raining on the entire East Coast. Yeah, so fingers crossed for a safe and comfortable drive. All right, let me show you everything that we are taking. So I decided that I'm going to keep this, sorry I'm out of breath because I was running up and down. I'm keeping this here. We had an accident with our bag, the zipper broke, but this bag just has a couple of drinks and it mostly just has fruits and veggies for the boys and a little bit for myself. Will be great snacks for them today, also tomorrow in the morning when we keep on driving. I plugged in the outlet that I purchased on Amazon. Hopefully it works. I have my sanitizers, water, Easy Pass, body sprays, chapstick, hair ties, pepper spray, thanks to my friend who's always looking out for me. Okay, so here we have all of our things. We actually ended up packing the third small suitcase. It just made sense, just eliminating like 3 extra bags. Everything just went in here. So we have the white suitcase, a case of water that's been partially opened, snacks. These are all dry snacks for the boys, our big suitcase, our cooler that has drinks and lots of ice. All right, I think that's gonna be it for this, for the trunk. So what do we have here? So the boys, this is kind of how they're gonna do the snack. This is why I didn't want to get anything too big, because when they pull this down, it still kind of gives them a little bit of room and they can put like a pillow and take a nappy. Eden has one of his pillow blankets, his backpack. They do have one charger here, but like I've mentioned, it's never enough. Waters, Mr. Lobster from Maine. So that's pretty much it. So we're just missing Andrew's backpack from here. Yeah, and this is just the other side of my car. So you see again, like I'll get my phone, but like I made it, you could move it however you want, but I put it like so it's facing a little bit this way, and it's just, it's so convenient. I love it. I love it. All right, we're in. The car is packed. Yep. I think we did really good. Yeah. Good job, guys. Thank you. All right.
Okay, bye.
All right, guys, I hope you enjoyed this small video. It was just, you know, packing up the car. Just wanted to show you how we are taking everything, and next time we'll see you from Disney World. Bye.